If your wrists feel like they are on fire after a long day at the office, this split keyboard might just be the ergonomic savior you have been waiting for. The MEETION Director C3 is not just another peripheral. It is a complete rethink of how we interact with our desks. At first glance, that dramatic curve in the center looks a bit intimidating, but it is designed to mimic the natural resting position of your hands. Instead of forcing your wrists to bend outward, this layout lets them sit naturally, which is a total game changer for anyone dealing with strain. The built-in palm rest is surprisingly plush, offering a soft yet resilient surface that keeps you supported during those marathon typing sessions. One of the most striking updates is the bright orange mode switch in the corner. It is a bold pop of color that serves a very practical purpose, allowing you to jump between two Bluetooth channels and a USB connection with a single press. Whether you are bouncing between a laptop, a tablet, or a desktop, the transition feels seamless and snappy. MEETION also made a curious but smart choice with the power supply. They moved away from built-in rechargeable batteries in favor of standard dry batteries. While some might prefer a USB-C charge, this move actually solves the problem of battery degradation over time, ensuring the device stays reliable for years. The center lighting indicator is another thoughtful touch, giving you a clear visual cue of your connection status and lock keys so you are never left guessing. The accompanying mouse is no slouch either, featuring 4 adjustable DPI levels that go up to 3200 for those who need precision. It feels light but responsive, and just like the keyboard, it handles multi-device workflows with ease. It is a setup that prioritizes long-term health without sacrificing the modern features we expect. If you can get past the short learning curve of the split layout, the comfort and versatility here are hard to beat. It is a solid, reliable workstation upgrade that truly puts the user first.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.